Hey, it's Jeff with Transfer Enterprises. We are here in Stamford, Connecticut, finishing up 9 floors of a decommission. And I wanted to talk to you guys about decommission services and some of the key things that you'll get when you contract Transfer Enterprises. You're going to get absolute professional project management. You're going to get a really sustainable workflow, which is going to prevent stuff going into landfill. We are an absolute wrecking ball of a company who keeps product away from landfills. We find every single way that we can to reduce, reuse, recycle, but out of these 9 floors that we just removed, 0 of that product is going to trash. So we're bringing it all back, we're fixing what we can, we're reusing it, we're gonna make sure that we are giving all sustainability reports to our customer. We're going to make sure that they have everything they need for their metrics and for their carbon footprint. And we're going to make sure that when we're done, you're going to get a floor that looks like this.